What's up, turtles? Krik here with Black Outdoors, and today we're going to be making a button with a Swiss Army knife. Well, I hope that segment of carving puts you in a relaxed state. I know I am. And that's pretty much the only reason I need to come out to the forest and do a simple little project with my Swiss Army knife. It's because it relaxes me. Let's take a look at Frankenstein's monster that I've created. I use a piece of tulip poplar. It's really easy wood, and you know, this is a toggle or could be a button, and you know, 2 holes. Anything you have to worry about is make sure they're far enough spaced apart so that when you do sew this to a shirt, bag, blanket, whatever, that this wood between the 2 holes isn't in jeopardy of tearing out. And you also want to make sure it's thick enough, because obviously if you make it too thin, it's going to be weak. I chamfered the edges, use a little bit of the knife just to practice, you know, some scraping work like with a cabinet scraper. And this is big, you know, you see it sitting in my hand, but it's really nice to carve pretty much all of it while it's still attached to that larger stick, just because it's easier to handle. You can make this rounded if you want, or thin it up a little bit, put 45s on it, you know, as much time as you want to spend just to relax and just carve and whittle. If this video put you in a good mind state and relaxed you, if you watched the whole thing up until this point, give us a thumbs up. It really does matter. And if you'd like to see some other carving videos from us, we have plans to do probably another video in this same vein of just me carving a spoon from start to finish. So if you want to see those videos and anything else like that, let us know. As always, thank you for your support, your comments. Thanks to our patrons on Patreon. Until the next video, this is Krik and Stony with Black Owl. Peace out, turtles.